Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to show icon labels on the status panel. So, if you're opening this notification panel, or basically this center, and you're irritated with the fact that those styles do not have the labels and you have no idea, for example, for what this icon is responsible for, or this one, I mean, the airplane is quite obvious, but for example, this one or this one, then we can really quickly change it. All you have to do is to tap on Edit here. And yes, that's really simple. Tap on Edit, and as you can see at the top, you can not only add new toggles, but here you've got the option Show Icon Labels in Control Center. So just tap on the switcher, tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see right now, the labels were applied, and now you can simply read what this icon is responsible for. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.